Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some spicy fried chicken with the air fryer. So for the spice rub, we have salt, white pepper, onion powder, smoked paprika, mixed herb, garlic powder, cayenne pepper and some black pepper. Mix your spices together, then evenly rub it into your chicken. So now for the fun part, add 1.5 tablespoons of chili sauce. You can reduce this to your taste or add more if you want. Allow this to mix into your chicken and allow this to sit for 1 to 4 hours. In a bowl, I've added 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, paprika, spice rub and salt. I've used 2 eggs, chili sauce and milk. The chili sauce is really optional, it just depends on how spicy you want it. I like mine very spicy, so I added more chili sauce. Now to cut your chicken with the mix. First dip into the flour, egg and back in the flour. Remember to shake off any excess and then allow it to sit for just about 1 minute before putting it in the air fryer. Now line your air fryer with your chicken and spray with some cooking oil. I will advise you leave some space in between the chickens to allow it to cook properly. I have used the standard setting for chicken on my air fryer and I cooked this for 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, just look at that. This chicken was so perfect. It was delicious, it was crunchy, it was juicy, it was just perfect. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. I'll leave a link below for everything I've used in this video and I hope to see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.